Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Thanksgiving is over and now it's time to change my front porch from fall to Christmas. If you're interested in seeing how I decorate this space, simply just keep on watching. Let's say bye-bye to all of the fall decor here in my front yard. And my hubby, as you can see, he is ready. He's ready for Christmas. We stumbled across these beautiful red balls in Ross. Guys, do not sleep on Ross because Ross has a lot of beautiful Christmas decor that's very, very affordable. Now, this day in Ross, we kind of split up to look at some things, and he came across these balls, and then he asked me, do you think I should purchase these balls? And I'm like, if you want them, you better get them. So they were kind of scattered all around the area. So he picked up two, and then when he went back to get the big one, someone else had the big one. But she let him have it. Look at people being so friendly, right? So he's hanging them in our crepe myrtle, and they are gonna look so pretty. And if we come across some more, oh yes, we will pick them up. I would love to have a trio in gold. But anywho, we'll work with what we have for now. Now, as I'm trying to clean up and remove fall, my hubby is bringing in some of the items that I want to place out for Christmas. Again, he's like a kid in the candy store, guys. He is so excited. Now, he brought in my topiary balls because we saw an idea in HomeSense that would look very pretty using these same balls. Now I'm doing my usual thing, tapping my wreaths because frogs loves to hide behind them. So I'm making sure they are off the wreaths before I grab at them. Next, we are placing net lighting on our hedges, just doing one row of them. Again, we are out here keeping things very, and I mean very, simple. And as we are decorating outside, we have our Christmas music blaring, putting us into the Christmas spirit. And of course, it is cold out here. Now I will show you a nighttime view once we get everything in place. Now, my hubby always liked to create something no cost with the things that we have on hand. For the past 2 years, he created a tunnel on the sidewalk for our neighbors to pass through, but this time he said he wanted to do something different. So he said he was going to create a tree in our front yard. He's using Christmas lights and PVC piping, as well as anchors. And again, I'll give you a nighttime view of the tree completed. We are also adding our family of reindeer to our front yard. And these guys have been with us for quite a while. I can guarantee you 10 years, and they're showing their age. We also ended up putting more lights in them because they're no longer working, but we're going to stretch it out. This is the next day, and I am adding these beautiful teardrops. I recycled some teardrops and poinsettias and ornaments and ribbon, etc., to make these beautiful pieces to place on my front doors. And I absolutely love them. They're gorgeous. And again, I decided to keep things simple. I'm not adding any garland above the doors. I just want simplicity right now, but pretty. The plan was to add some Grinch items in blue out here, but guys, I changed my mind. I may use the Grinch on the back patio, the outer portion, of my patio, because of these. When we added these bows to these topiary balls, and of course the teardrop or swags, oh my goodness, I couldn't stick the Grinch out here. It was too pretty. Hubby found more lights in the garage, so he decided to surround our yard with them. Let's dress up this bench, which is by YitaHome on Amazon. I will have anything that I can link in my description box below. I'm simply adding some pillows. And these pillow covers with the trees, they're a new purchase off of Amazon. I absolutely love having this bench here. We can come out here and watch the cars and the neighbors go by. We can sit out here and chat, have a cup of hot chocolate, and just enjoy the outdoors. Now, I could not find a doormat, a Christmas doormat in blue, but I shopped my own home. Hubby told me, you have a blue mat in the garage, brand new. So I pulled that out and I ordered this mat from Amazon in blue and white. It's striped. And I plan on using the doormat and this rug several times during the year, not just for Christmas. God bless this home and all who enters. Now, I want to add one last thing that's going to make a huge impact on my outdoor space, and it is this beautiful garage door cover that says joy to the world, and it has the nativity scene on it, the true meaning of Christmas. This garage door cover came from Amazon. And here's my front porch and the front of my home decorated for Christmas 2024.
Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the
Well, that's all that I have for you in today's video. Guys, I have one more space to share with you, and then I will be sharing my Christmas home tour for 2024. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of our blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.